Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have nothing earbuds and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install it up for your Android phone and how you can easily set up your earbuds with it. And first we have to enter Play Store, and here we have to click this search tab. In the search bar we have to search for nothing. Nothing. Here the first result is Nothing X from Nothing Technology Limited. Let's tap install button here and let's wait a moment. Now as you can see our application started automatically. Here we have to tap get started. Later, if you want, we can of course join the improvement program, continue and allow for determining the position of neighbor devices and Bluetooth. And as you can see, our application automatically paired with our earbuds. I do recommend pairing your earbuds with your phone before this whole process, but if you don't want to do so, just enter pairing mode and yeah, goodbye!